Namaste everyone. Very glad to have you all in this introductory session to the IWSP Yoga. My esteemed participants, this unique program, Integrated Wellness Science and Practice, or the Holistic Wellness Program, is very unique. We are going to learn all the scientific evidence based methods to make our lives better. When it comes to yoga, it's a huge topic, but here we are going to restrict our learning and sharing only to benefit us physically and mentally so that we become disease free. At the same time, we will learn the methods to stabilize our emotions, and also we will learn some yogic methods to keep us free from stress. Above all, we will be learning some unique technique to get the joy within the meditation techniques. So, why yoga? Because yoga impacts all the four pillars of our dash. Dash is the basic foundation on which our program is going to run. So, diet, activity, stress management, habit change, which is the unique thing to make our life a better life, to make ourselves disease free. This yoga has all the aspects it's going to cover. That's why we have to practice yoga, not just some other physical exercises. What we are going to learn? Asanas. Asanas are typical postures in which we practice and train our physical body. These postures, which have got proven health benefits, which have got proven techniques to make you free from certain physical diseases. So, these asanas are very vital to attain wellness. We are also going to learn about pranayama. Pranayama is nothing but the technique to control our breathing, the technique to regulate our breathing. When we learn how to regulate our breathing, we are free from majority of the mental health issues. The stress aspect can be removed. The stress can be removed or cured by learning properly the pranayamas. Meditation is the ultimate medicine. The ultimate medicine for all sorts of physical, mental, emotional disorders. Meditation is the highest technique to find the joy within. Meditation should give us the ultimate rest which we all need after working in certain hours. So, we will be mainly learning asana, pranayama and meditation. Dear friends, let me tell you, based on the research papers, meditation, though known little and practiced by very few people, but the health benefit when it's learned, 75% of the health benefits are by proper meditation practice. And pranayama, also less known and practiced by less people, has more benefits than the simple asanas, the physical postures. You can see, based on the research papers, we have learned 15% health benefits from pranayama, and the physical asanas has got just the 10% health benefits. Yes, each has health benefits, but asana, pranayama, meditation, when compared, meditation has the highest health benefits and it is proven. Dear friends, why yoga, not just some gym or other exercise? It is studied and proven by researchers. Yoga is more effective. Yoga is more beneficial. Yes, it helps to maintain the health of every cell of the body, every part of the body. Whereas gym, whichever part you are using, only that part muscle is going to get the strength. Only that part of the muscle is going to increase in size. After doing the yoga, you feel energized, you feel fresh, you are not losing your energy. But after doing gym, people say, I am tired, I want to take rest. That way, it's going to affect your daily working pattern. And by practicing yoga, one feel fresh, happy, joy, all the good hormones, the positive hormones, the happy hormones are released in our body when you practice yoga. One feels tired after practicing gym because the stress hormones are going to be released in your body. Yoga can be practiced by everyone, right from kids to aged people, but the gym and other athletic exercises cannot be practiced after certain age. Yoga affects all the internal organs. It rejuvenates all the internal organs. We call it as visceral organs. Visceral organs are going to be rejuvenated. You are going to regain health. All the internal organs are going to attain a state of health. But there are no proven studies which said by practicing gym one attains health of the internal organs. And important factor in today's day-to-day life, stress. Stress has become a major factor which affects the mental and physical health of everybody. By practicing yoga, one is freed from stress. To lead a stress-free life, one should practice yoga. Whereas there are no proven health benefits of gym which says it has got some psychological benefits. So why yoga should be practiced and preferred when compared to other exercises like gym, etc. When we understand more about yoga, when we learn step by step and we reach, we learn that we are not just this physical and mental combination. We are not just body and mind complex, but there is something more, energy, Atman, Brahman, God, Ishvara, Allah, Buddha. That energy is the cause for everything in this universe. That same energy runs our body and mind. Because of that same energy only, we are all connected to each other. So, we will be learning more about yoga in our whole course when we join and learn. Mainly, we will be teaching you 15 basic asanas. 15 basic asanas which have got proven health benefits. Learned and practiced properly, these 15 asanas have got immense role in making you free from certain physical diseases or disorders. So, we will be learning yogic jogging, Sukshma Vyayama, Surya Namaskara, Shavasana, Mandukasana, Shalabhasana, Ustrasana, Gomukasana, Vakrasana, Utthana Padasana, Sarvangasana, Halasana, Shalabhasana, Dhanurasana and Rukshasana. And every asana will be taught by our expert yoga teacher who is a certified yoga teacher, And we will also be learning about the immense health benefit of every asana based on the scientific papers. So, these few asanas I am going to show you. For example, you are seeing the first one is Vakrasana, Sarvangasana, Tadasana, Mandukasana, Ustrasana, Dvivuthana Padasana, Gomukasana, Surya Namaskara and Dhanurasana. So, by Yogasana, we need not worry, oh, it is so difficult to learn. No, it's very simple. Anybody, everybody who is interested to get the benefit can learn, practice, and enjoy the benefits. Also, we will be teaching you main 10 pranayamas. I said by the word pranayama, we learn the technique how to breathe properly, regulation of the breathing, the prana shakti, the vital energy when it is circulated properly in our mind and body. It helps to increase the blood supply, it helps to increase the oxygen supply, proper oxygen and blood supply to every cell of the body. We have immense health benefits. So mainly we will be learning about Brahmri, Anulom Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, Udgit, Sarala Pranayama, Antah Pranayama, Bahya Pranayama, Ujjayi Pranayama and Omkara or Pranava. Also, we will be learning the immense scientifically proven health benefits of this pranayama. So, to show the pictures, here we see the left one sitting and chanting Om, the right one Anulom Vilom, alternative nasal breathing, the left bottom is Brahmri and right bottom is the Kapalbhati. So, pranayama has immense health benefits, more benefits than the physical asanas. Meditation is the ultimate technique. Meditation is the ultimate medicine to cure all sort of diseases, physical, mental, emotional, by attaining the spiritual nature, our real nature. When you attain that state, there is only happiness, disease free life. So, we are going to learn the proper meditation technique learned by our great teachers, our gurus. With that Guru Parampara, whatever we have learned, we will be learning and practicing together, and I am going to guide you this meditation session. Dear friends, with this brief introduction about yoga in this holistic wellness course, we all as a team are committed for the physical, mental, emotional health of all of you. We request you to make a commitment, invest your time so that you lead a disease-free life. You make a better choice and also at the same time you are going to lead a better life. You are going to enjoy immense health benefits by registering and learning about IWSP, the Holistic Wellness Course. Thank you. Namaste.
So I think Dr. Sushil touched upon this particular topic of IWSP for Life, and this is the program which actually continues after we complete the next 11 sessions of IWSP Batch 6, and this is what actually happens in the entire exposure what you get from IWSP. You do this batch 6, which is the next 11 sessions, which starts from October 19th, which is a Tuesday, India time 6 a.m., morning 6 a.m. And again, there is a rerun in the evening at 6 p.m. And then subsequently, after this batch 6 is over, we don't leave your hand. We hold on to you. And then there is IWSP for Life, which goes on for next 1 year, so that you reinforce the practices whatever you have done with a lot of discussions and interactions, and which enable you to go from that process of change to transformation. So as I said, batch starts from 19th October, which is a Tuesday, India time I'm talking about. Correspondingly, I think we'll have to derive the other timings in US PST as well as EST. and it ends on 11th of November 2021. And these are 3-day sessions in per week, that is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And it has the session on 6 a.m. morning, and again it repeats at 6 p.m. Basically keeping the time comfort for people to join in those respective times. And these are the US basically timings of EST and PST. So 3 sessions, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for them, 8:30 p.m. And for PST, it is 5:30 p.m. And correspondingly, the next timing 12 hours later on. So, this program, typically, if you look at the population which generally gets done, I mean, it is a $300 to $500 program. If you look at the price point where such eminent programs are being run. But then look at the profile of our facilitators and the people who are behind it. We are doing it for our own passion. We are doing it for the sake that lot many people benefit from it. Our facilitators do not charge anything. They are doing it out of their own wish to give back to the society. And hence, there's a very small token remittance which is required to make the program run, basically for the back-end working and coordination and support. So that is 2,500 Indian rupees for the entire program for 11 sessions, and that 1 year of exposure what you will get in IWSP for life, and many more batches of IWSP also you're allowed to join as many more number of times you want to join. So this is a amazing opportunity. Almost every week you will have one program or the other coming from IWSP, of which you will be able to participate with this particular contribution what you would be able to make. And it is US, it is $50. And as I said earlier, it is very small as compared to what typically these kind of programs cost elsewhere. So how you can pay for this small token contribution is you can go to myiwsp.com, and there's a pay option, and you have PayPal and credit and debit card options for non-Indian accounts. And for Indian accounts, you have a QR code as well as credit card and debit card option. And as I said earlier, what you will get from this particular contribution is 11 sessions of IWSP Holistic Wellness Batch 6, any subsequent holistic wellness throughout the year, IWSP for life throughout the year, and a special member offer for other IWSP programs. Like, for example, we are going to run a PCOS program, a polycystic ovarian syndrome program under IWSP banner very shortly. You will get a special offer for that particular program also, because it is done by a separate set of facilitators there. So this is the QR code, which is for the payment, as I said earlier. And this is the phone number. I will come up with the phone number even later on. So we are almost on time. And before I finish, I would like to mention that we are present everywhere. myiwsp.com is our website. You can go and have a look at our website today itself. And we are there on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platforms. We have a very nice YouTube channel where all these videos are posted. You can have a look. This introduction session video also will be posted very shortly into that. You can also have a look. You can show it to your friends. You can send it to your well-wishers and tell them that you saw a very beautiful program, and ask them to also have a look at it. And if they want to join, they can join us. And on behalf of everyone in IWSP, and especially from Swamiji and Dr. Sushil Sharma, my name is Anirban. As I said earlier, I am the host. I was your host for today, along with Naresh and Subratuda and Karthikeyan. All of us feel extremely happy to have been with you. You have spared this time for us, and let's look forward to an amazing togetherness, and let's have a journey for the next 11 sessions, and who knows, for the life to come. So with these few words, let me close today's session by sharing with you this last slide, which talks about phone numbers. The phone numbers are there. You can note out the phone numbers, and you can connect with us, and you can talk to us if you have any doubt, or you can go to the website and you can log in and you can join again. So with these few words, let me thank once again our facilitators and everyone who came in and joined for this program. Thank you very much, and have a good night. We are exactly at 7:30 India time, and let's look forward to an amazing togetherness for the days and months and the weeks and the years to come. So with this, let us close today's session, and we all look forward to be with you for the course which begins on 19th of October, Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. India time, and corresponding US time, It is Monday evening, 18th of October, 8:30 p.m. EST and 5:30 p.m. CST. So this is the timing when we begin. Please do connect with us and join for the program, and let's have a great learning together to change our life for the better. Let's transform ourselves. Thank you very much.
And we'll move on to that slide where how to join so that we can leave it there. People may get to see that.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, here. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much. I'll leave this slide before we all of us log off. Thank you once again.
Thank you.